Hi, this is Miss Teresa and I'll be reading Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with Ghost. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down." Ghost made a face. Said "boo" to Skeleton. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. And Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. They jumped away. Hooray!